Kelsey McGee spoke with the Bend Streets and Operations Manager to learn about road clearing practices today. Kelsey?
Bend Streets and Operations workers got out the sanders for today's snow instead of using magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride does not work if it's too wet. Across Central Oregon, the month of November started with a blanket of white, and the city of Bend was prepared, putting 7 sanders on the road.
We started applying our plows and sanders a couple weeks ago in anticipation for the winter season. We were pretty much ready for it.
Swan says snow has to be about 2 inches before plows are brought out. He says when the snow is slushy, the trucks are equipped with sander units.
We take care of our Priority 1 roads, which are arterials, Priority 2s, which are collector roads. That encompasses the police stations, hospitals, and schools.
There are about 35 staff members working to clear streets. A small team focuses on roundabouts and sidewalks. It wasn't necessary with the Tuesday storm, but in an emergency, they go to 12-hour shifts, 2 shifts around the clock.
And that's usually when a snow emergency is declared by the city manager or his designee.
While some people are worried about putting on snow tires, how to drive in the snow, or how to dress for the snow, there are people excited for the winter weather.
I'm super excited to ski, and I got some skis and my sister got some skis, and we're really excited to ski this year.
At Powder House in Searsia, they tell me they have close to 90% of their winter stock ready for customers, with ski boots and snowboards as the most popular items. On Mount Bachelor, they're planning for November 25th as opening day, with this week's storm just a glimpse of what's to come.
I was really excited to make like a snow fort this year.
Streets and operations staff took advantage of this first wet snow to train new staff on the larger trucks. Kelsey McGee, News Channel 21.